Hey, Ren, I hope you had a good weekend. Here was our day for Monday. Today, we looked at the Green Revolution and its impact on India's economy and their environment. And then we spent some time talking and watching a video on Norman Borlaug and his impact on the Green Revolution. Norman Borlaug was a plant geneticist and agronomist from Iowa, and he helped to develop new plants that were used in the Green Revolution. So we read this together, pages 476 to 477, had our review questions finished, which I saw you have those done already, and then I put in the classroom this video with questions in Edpuzzle about Norman Borlaug. Those are due on Wednesday. And then you can't really see this on there because it got cut off by the screen. But on Thursday, we'll have a quiz over chapter 17, section 1, which includes a map that we did, section on physical geography, section on the Himalayas, and then the section that we did on monsoons and now the Green Revolution. And then the last two are on conservation and pollution in South Asia. And we'll start those tomorrow and on Wednesday. So that's what you can plan for going forward this week. And I'll try to add another video in for you a little bit later on. But if you have any questions, please reach out. See ya.